Camp Nou is changing before our eyes, and the latest progress is impossible to ignore. Every new update is revealing a stadium that is becoming more spectacular every day. The new facade is coming alive, the structure is rising, and hidden areas are revealing incredible progress. From the compression ring to the VIP zones, every detail is bringing Barca's future home closer to reality. Today, we explore the latest Camp Nou transformation that no fan can afford to miss. One of the most impressive parts of the renovation is the installation of the ceramic panels that are transforming the appearance of Camp Nou. The south goal area is already showing incredible progress, with Barca's blue and red colors blending with lighter shades to create a unique visual effect. Although some panels are still missing, the overall design is becoming clearer, and the changing light reflections are revealing the spectacular identity of the new facade. The lateral area of Camp Nou continues to advance, with the diamond-shaped structures reaching a major milestone. Two of these sections are already fully concreted, with temporary supports and scaffolding removed, revealing their final structure, while the remaining diamond near Goal Sur continues to strengthen. The surrounding areas are also being prepared, and the latest panoramic views show that almost all stadium cores in the south goal and lateral sections are already covered, bringing the new Camp Nou design closer to completion. A major milestone will be reached when the first cores on the second cantilever level receive their sandwich panel covering. The central cores are expected to be the first to reach this stage, with scaffolding already being installed to prepare for the next phase of work. Meanwhile, the lateral walls are also progressing, with temporary finishes being prepared before the final exterior treatment. The next big focus now shifts toward the VIP ring, where more important developments are taking place. The compression ring continues to make impressive progress, with the latest pillar installation marking an important step forward. In the Goal Nord corner, this section is almost complete, and the next pillars will begin the transition toward the tribune area. A new ring element is also being carefully positioned with temporary supports, bringing the stadium closer to completing this massive structure. Only a few pillars remain before the entire compression ring reaches another major milestone. The Tribuna remains one of the busiest construction zones on site, with multiple crews working simultaneously on structural steel. Progress continues on the upper framework while workers prepare the remaining connections for future installations. Interior construction also continues behind the structure, with finishing work advancing alongside the ongoing steel assembly. As activity remains high across every level, the Tribuna is steadily transforming into one of the most advanced and visually complete sections of the new stadium. Exterior sandwich panel installation continues to move forward rapidly at the South Mobility CPS. With the interior cladding already completed, crews are now enclosing the outer facade where multiple lower panels have been secured, and installation has officially reached the upper level. Lifting equipment remains active throughout the area as workers carefully position each new panel before permanently fastening it into place. At the same time, preparation work continues around the remaining exposed sections, bringing the entire mobility core closer to full enclosure. A new phase is taking shape inside the Goal Nord section, where workers have started installing blocks in one of the diamond-shaped structures. Several teams are now active in this area, carefully building and adjusting each section as the work moves forward. Much of the structure is already covered, while the remaining parts are being completed with precision. This area will be an important one to monitor as another key stage of Camp Nou's transformation continues. A different view of the renovation reveals progress in the upper sections of Camp Nou, where cranes are supporting material movements around the ring area and nearby structural zones. Scaffolding removal has started in the third cantilever area, exposing more of the completed structure. At the same time, final preparation work continues on the remaining unfinished cores, including painting and finishing details. A new level of progress is becoming visible inside the Lateral and VIP areas of Camp Nou. The future private boxes are starting to take shape, with doors, partitions, and acoustic systems being installed throughout these premium spaces. The stadium's transformation is becoming more impressive with every update. The closed rings, developing upper levels, and ongoing lighting work already reveal the incredible scale of the new Camp Nou. Although work continues, the final vision is becoming clear with each passing day. Moving to the north goal area is showing one of the clearest signs yet that a major installation phase is about to begin. Plenty of Philips-branded boxes have been spotted stacked in the middle section of the north goal area. Alongside them are large quantities of sandwich panels and packed slats, all staged and ready for installation. 3 different categories of materials are now positioned in the same location, pointing toward the same conclusion. The next phase of construction at the north goal is imminent. The materials are already on site. The installation teams are expected to follow. The Philips-branded boxes contain lighting and electrical system components. Their presence in such large numbers indicates that a major lighting installation phase is being prepared for this section of the stadium. LED connections, illumination systems, and the electrical components that will power the north goal facade are now being positioned and readied. At the same time, the stacked sandwich panels indicate that exterior enclosure work will soon continue across the middle section of the north goal. These panels are already staged and ready to be lifted into place as soon as the installation sequence reaches this area. The corner area entering another important stage as the final perimeter fencing begins to take shape around the stadium. Although the ceramic louvers are still waiting to be installed, the area is becoming more organized as temporary barriers are replaced by permanent structures. Some work on the superstructure and core panels is still underway, but this latest progress marks another major milestone in the transformation of Camp Nou's exterior. From the Tribune viewpoint, the latest panorama of Camp Nou reveals incredible progress. The compression ring continues expanding, with new pillars being installed rapidly and the structure moving further into the Tribune area. In the goal sewer section, another major step has been completed with a new pillar added, while preparations continue for future boxes and structural elements. Additional work is also progressing in the diamond areas and press facilities, bringing the stadium closer to its final vision. And finally, the news that every Barcelona fan needs to hear clearly and completely, because it represents one of the most significant and most consequential decisions that the club has made regarding the Camp Nou renovation timeline. FC Barcelona has formally asked La Liga for permission to play the entire first half of the 2027-2028 season away from the Spotify Camp Nou. The club has requested that it be allowed to use the Estadi Olympic Luis companies for those matches, a return to the temporary home that Barca fans are already familiar with from the renovation period that preceded the partial reopening of the camp. Now, the reason for this request is the roof installation. The massive and extraordinarily complex operation of installing the new Camp Nou roof is scheduled to take place between June and October 2027. A 4-month window during which the stadium will need to be vacated entirely to allow the roof installation teams the space, the access, and the uninterrupted working conditions that an engineering project of this scale and this complexity absolutely demands. You cannot install a roof of this magnitude over an occupied stadium. The whole ground needs to be clear. Now here is the really important detail that distinguishes this decision from a simple operational necessity. It is also a deliberate act of caution from the club. The roof installation is estimated to take approximately 4 months, June to October. That window, if everything goes exactly to plan, could allow the stadium to reopen for the second half of the 2027-2028 season. But Barcelona is not willing to risk that second half reopening being disrupted by delays that push the roof completion beyond October. The roof is worth waiting for, The completed camp now is worth the first half of one season at the Olympic. And when the doors of the fully finished, fully roofed, fully magnificent new Camp Nou open for the second half of the 2027-2028 season, every moment of that temporary sacrifice is going to be vindicated completely and permanently. And that brings us to the end of today's Camp Nou transformation update. From the stunning facade progress and structural milestones to the hidden developments inside the stadium, we've explored the latest changes shaping the future home of FC Barcelona. The journey is still far from over, and every new phase is revealing another incredible part of this historic transformation. Stay connected, because in our next video, we'll bring you more exclusive updates and a closer look behind the scenes of the new Camp Nou.